Hi. Hi. Hey, where's your hair? Where's your hair? Good job. Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your eye? Where's your ear? Where are your fingers? Fingers. Where are your piggies? Piggies. Where's your belly button? Belly button. Yay!
Where's your tongue?
Where's your tongue?
Good job.
Where are your teeth? Where are your chompers? Chompers.
Good job. Where's your knees? Remember we did this yesterday.
Good
Knees.
job.
Good job.
Where are your shoulders? Shoulders. Up here.
That's tough, I know.
Good job.
Good job. Where's your hiney? Where's your hiney?
Tiny.
Good job.
Good job. Hey, what does the cow say? What does the tiger say? What does the tiger say? What does the sheep say? What does the horse say? What does the doggy say? What does the kitty say? Good job.
Good job, babe.